Is a theme editor ready for an AI-driven future? No. 100% disagree.
It'll do cool stuff, but there's still so much you got to do.
One, there's like so many challenges to this. The theme editor is currently very limited in like the AI editing capabilities. Like if you use any like other like design AI design tools, kind of like use your cursor and like circle what you want to change, like change this exact button, or you can like actually screenshot something and tell it what to do. So like a lot of those design tools are like really on the forefront where you can kind of like point and drag and be like, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look like you can actually like point out what you want to change. Like Cursor does that, or like Codex, like even other design tools. But the theme editor doesn't have that support right now. They just have like the chat where you ask for a change, or you can like ask it to create a new section. The other limitation is Shopify and Sidekick, they don't know how everyone's theme is developed, and people develop themes differently. Different theme partners use different standards. That's the other big challenge, is actually understanding how everyone is building blocks and how they're different and how they should be used. Again, kind of why we went over those earlier comments is like those liquid updates should help with that a lot. If everything is just in the code, it'll be a lot easier for Sidekick to understand that. In its current form, I don't think the theme editor is like really a AI website builder. Like it's right now, no.
I agree completely. Yeah, I don't know. I think a good question you posed too. It's like, are we now building storefronts for humans, or are we building them for bots? And I don't mean that in the sense, like, of course we're building them so humans can interact with them and buy things from them. But it's more like, are we building the infrastructure behind said themes or said websites so that the code's more manageable from a human standpoint, or a bot standpoint and an agent standpoint? It's probably the latter. It's probably bots, right?
No, I mean, I'm going to disagree. I think we're still building websites for humans. I do think that maybe, I mean, I don't know where you're coming from with this question, but I think maybe there's a point where if you are using like AI design tools, it does end up looking like more average. And that kind of is maybe built for a robot where it's like, yeah, this is good for me. This is great design, but it's like, it's never going to get new. It's never going to be unique design. It's just going to be like average. Here's my header, logo, navigation cart, hero banner, text button. That's what it's going to do.